Today we are going to learn how to start a blog instantly using WordPress.com. While you are in the admin panel, select categories from the posts menu. It will show you the categories. Click the three dots of the category to see the options and select edit. Change accordingly. Once you are done, click update. As you can see, the news category already has a post. So we have to add the category to the menu. Before that, let's add a new category. Click add new category, give a name, click add button. Now let's add it to the menu. Go to appearance and select menus. Go to primary menu and select add items. Click categories and add the category. Click Save Changes. Now you have edited the category, added a new category and added the newly created category to the menu as well. Next, we will see how to add pages inshaAllah. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you liked it. Assalamu alaikum.